Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm using a Samsung smartphone. If I double tap on the screen just turns off. If I want to turn on the screen again, I will double tap on it and then I will enter the code, the pin code or the pattern, or you can scan your face as well to unlock it. So how are you going to enable these options? It's pretty simple. Follow these steps. First, you need to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone. Scroll down where you will find the option Advanced Feature. All you need to do is to tap on it. Here you will find Motions and Gestures. You need to tap on it, and here you will find the option double tap to turn on the screen, which is enabled for me, and double tap to turn off screen, which is also enabled for me. So if it is disabled just like that, just click one time, just tap on it one time, and this option will be enabled. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.